Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing some DIYs with my Cricut machine, and I'm so excited because my sister is having a baby. It's the first baby in our family. I'm just overwhelmed with excitement. Like, I'm so excited about this kid. So I am going to be making, oh my God, I cannot wait. Look at this. I just can't believe it. Okay. I'm gonna be making some custom onesies with like some cute sayings on them. I am also gonna be making a banner for the baby shower. And then if I think of something else, I'll make that too. I'm just so excited about this. These are gonna be so cute. I don't know if you guys have seen all of the cute like custom onesie ideas online, but some of them are hilarious and they're so cute. So let's get started on this first one. My idea for this little like baseball type of tee is this design right here. My sister and her husband are super big Notre Dame fans. My brother-in-law went to Notre Dame, so this is just gonna be like perfect for them. So I'm starting out in the Cricut design space here, and I'm just uploading my design, which I created through Canva. And then I'm just getting rid of all of those little parts that I don't want to be vinyl, so I can click those away right here. And then I decided to actually go back and get rid of those yellow parts and the Notre Dame symbol, just so it would be a little less thick. And then I prepared it to be cut by making it the size that I wanted here and then flipping it to be backwards. I always get so freaking nervous when I go to cut something. I think we're good. Everything's loaded in. Here we go. I have my little piece of vinyl. I haven't weeded it yet, but I am going to set up the Cricut Easy Press so that it warms up while I'm getting everything else ready. Oh my gosh. So I was just opening everything up for the Easy Press, and I found that they give you this little like Cricut test vinyl, and the press comes in this bag, so you can kind of like test it out before you do your actual project. So I'm definitely doing that because I don't want to mess this up, and then we'll do the onesie. Okay, so I was a little bit nervous because I've never used a heat press like this before, but Cricut makes it so easy on you because they have this heat guide on their website. So like you can just select whatever type of vinyl you're using and like whatever it's going to be transferred onto, and then it shows you all of the settings for the heat press and like all of the directions that you need to get it done right. So I thought that was very useful for me, and my bag turned out nicely, so I had the confidence to get started on my Notre Dame vinyl here. So I'm just weeding that out and getting it ready to press. All right, I've got my little piece of vinyl weeded out, and this Cricut like pressing mat, but you don't have to use one of these. You just have to make sure when you're pressing iron-on vinyl that it's on a flat, hard surface like a table, and you can just use like a towel instead of one of these mats. Works just as good. Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna make sure that it's centered on here, and then I'm gonna press it, and that will be that. My heart, it is so freaking cute. I love it. I'm so excited about it. Okay, while that one cools down, I am going to prep the other vinyl for the other onesie that I'm gonna do. And I think this one is hilarious. I really do. Okay, you guys are gonna die at this one. So I'm just uploading it. Again, I made this little design on Canva and uploading it into the design space, getting it all ready to cut out. Again, I have to flip it to be backwards. So I cut it out and weeded it out, and just pressed it the same exact way that I did the other onesie. And I will say this onesie was made out of like a ribbed material, which I don't think is the best for heat transfer vinyl. So just a little tip for you, but it definitely turned out still very adorable. The onesies are so freaking cute. I cannot wait to give them to her. Okay, now for the banner for the baby shower. So I got some cardstock in two different colors, this white and this nice green color. The theme for the shower is like jungly. I'm thinking I'm going to cut out like the banner shapes with the white, and then I'll cut out the letters with the green, paste the green letters on the banner, obviously on the banner shapes, and then if I have some left over, I'd like to like cut out some Monstera leaves or something like that, throw them in between the words in the banner. That's what I'm thinking, that's my plan. So I'm hoping that it works out. All right, let's make it. So like I said, I am using cardstock for this banner, and if you guys didn't know, you can cut over 300, literally over 300 materials with a Cricut machine. It blows my mind, it's wild. out. So I separately cut out the banner shapes from the letters, and then I'm just weeding all of those out. So I got everything cut out, and I'm gonna just start pasting the letters on the little banner pieces. They are a bit curved, but that's okay because I can just put a pile of books on them and then they'll flatten out. So let's get pasting. Tool is super useful on the Cricut design space. There's so many things that you can choose from. And when I saw these pop-up cards, I wanted to make one so badly just for anyone. So I'm attempting to make, it's not going to be a pop-up card, but it is kind of 3D. I'm just gonna say that, attempting to make one for my sister for her shower. Wish me luck. I hope that it turns out because it's super cute. So you can see all the little tiny pieces to this card, and I was able to use the scraps of the cardstock that I didn't use. So that worked out really well because the card is super small. This was super easy to make with the Cricut design space because you literally just like find a template and then you click make it, and like it's organized into all the different colors you need to do. I made it work with just 2 colors, and then I of course weeded out all the tiny little pieces. Oh my gosh, so adorable. And I just pasted everything together. And finally, this is how everything turned out. Everything that I came up with, I think everything turned out super cute, and I think that my sister's gonna enjoy them. So I know this video is like a bit, you know, different from what I normally post, but I just thought that you guys would enjoy these little crafts. So I hope that you enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you in my next video. See you guys.